The biggest economic issues shaping American public opinion in 2025. The United States in 2025 faces a dynamic and often unpredictable economic landscape. With inflation, trade policies, employment rates, and technological advancements all playing crucial roles, the economy remains a top concern for millions of Americans. In this article, we will explore the most pressing economic issues shaping public opinion today and how they may evolve in the coming months. Inflation and the cost of living. Inflation remains a significant issue for American households. Over the past few years, rising prices have affected essential goods such as groceries, housing, and healthcare. A recent survey found that while 52% of Americans expect prices to stabilize, 56% fear continued economic hardships due to persistent inflation. The Federal Reserve has taken measures to control inflation, including adjusting interest rates. However, balancing economic growth with inflation control remains a challenge. If inflation continues to rise, the purchasing power of the average American will decrease, leading to reduced consumer spending, which is a major driver of the U.S. economy. Trade policies and tariffs. With Donald Trump returning to office, many analysts anticipate renewed focus on trade policies. The potential imposition of tariffs, some as high as 25 on countries like China and Mexico, could reshape international trade. Tariffs are designed to protect domestic industries, but they often lead to increased costs for consumers and businesses. If trade tensions escalate, American companies relying on foreign imports may see supply chain disruptions and higher production costs. In response, some businesses might pass these costs on to consumers, further exacerbating inflationary pressures. Labor market and employment. The labor market remains one of the most debated topics in 2025. Many industries are experiencing shifts due to automation, artificial intelligence, and changing work dynamics. While the unemployment rate has remained relatively stable, certain sectors, such as retail and manufacturing, have seen job reductions due to technological advancements. Conversely, the tech and renewable energy industries continue to experience growth, leading to new employment opportunities. Workers are also facing challenges related to wages. Despite a strong job market, wage growth has not always kept up with inflation, leading to frustration among workers. Policymakers are exploring solutions such as wage subsidies and tax incentives to support middle-class households. Informed financial decisions. As we navigate these challenges, staying informed and adaptable will be key to ensuring a prosperous future for individuals and businesses alike. Immigration and its economic impact. Immigration has long been a contentious issue in U.S. politics, but its economic implications cannot be ignored. In 2025, stricter immigration policies have led to labor shortages in key industries such as agriculture, construction, and healthcare. Businesses relying on immigrant workers are facing challenges in hiring, which could slow economic growth. On the other hand, proponents of stricter immigration policies argue that it protects American jobs and improves national security. Regardless of political perspectives, immigration policies will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the American labor market and overall economic stability. Cryptocurrency and financial market. Rise of cryptocurrency remains a hot topic in 2025, with Bitcoin and other digital assets reaching new levels of market volatility. Some analysts predict Bitcoin could exceed $200,000 in value, while others warn of an impending market crash. As cryptocurrencies gain mainstream adoption, traditional financial institutions and governments are considering stricter regulations. The US government is exploring the development of a digital dollar, which could change how people interact with money and banking services. Investors and everyday consumers alike must stay informed about the risks and opportunities in the crypto space as digital assets continue to reshape global finance. Federal budget deficit and government spending remains a major concern in 2025. The US national debt has surpassed $35 trillion, prompting debates about federal budget priorities. Increased spending on healthcare, defense, and social programs has fueled concerns over fiscal responsibility. If government spending continues to rise without significant revenue increases, the country could face higher interest rates and economic instability. Policymakers are considering tax reforms and spending cuts to address the deficit, but finding a balance between economic growth and debt management remains a challenge. The housing market and interest rates. The housing market has undergone significant changes in recent years. Rising mortgage rates have made homeownership more expensive, while housing supply shortages have driven up home prices. Young professionals and first-time home viewers are finding it increasingly difficult to enter the market. Meanwhile, rental prices have surged, putting additional financial strain on lower-income households. Government initiatives aimed at increasing affordable housing options are in development, but the long-term impact remains uncertain. The real estate market will continue to be a key indicator of economic stability moving forward. The role of technology in the economy, artificial intelligence and automation are transforming industries, creating both opportunities and challenges. While these advancements have increased efficiency and productivity, they have also led to job displacement in certain fields.
Many companies are investing in workforce reskilling programs to help employees transition to new roles. As technology continues to evolve, the ability of workers and businesses to adapt will be crucial in maintaining economic stability. Conclusion: what lies ahead for the U.S. economy? The economic challenges facing the U.S. in 2025 are complex and interconnected. From inflation and trade wars to labor market shifts and the rise of digital currencies, these issues will continue to shape public discourse and government policy. Understanding these economic trends is essential for making